Hello dear makers, welcome to Wise Things IoT channel. So today I will walk you through the Wishtree board and the accessories available inside Wishtree IoT Development Kit. So I am Bapaditya, the program manager for Wishtree IoT Development Kit. So let's begin. So here is the Wishtree kit. When you order a kit, you receive this box, and what is inside the box? These are the items. I will explain them one by one. It contains everything that you need to run Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, GSM and LoRa all on the same board. Okay, so let me now go into the details. So here is the main component, the main board, which is Wishtree board. So this is how it compares against a credit card. So height wise it is the same. In the base it is a little longer. Okay, and then let us have a look at the components available. So this is the main board, the Wishtree board, and you can use this Wishtree board with either ESP8266 or ESP32. So I will show you in my subsequent slide how to fit them out on top of this board. With ESP32 we have Bluetooth and BLE both available on the board, and then if you want to use GSM, then here is the A6 mini GSM module, and you can use it with this PCB type antenna or the spring antenna. And if you are planning to use LoRa, then here is the LoRa module. We are using Hopf RFM95 module for LoRa communication, and here is the LoRa antenna. Okay, so now let me get inside the layout and attachment, how to attach the attachment. So to fit out ESP8266 we have to use this adapter pins. So you can see how it is fitted here, and then if you are planning to use ESP32, then this is how it fits out on top of the board here. So you are going to use this adapter pins here. Okay, then if you are planning to use GSM or LoRa, then you need to use these adapters. Both A6 mini and the GSM module fits on top of the same adapter. Okay, and if you are familiar with SIM800, you can also use that. SIM800 also will fit on this adapter as well. Okay, and then here is the GSM and LoRa connector. So once you put your GSM or LoRa module inside this adapter, these pins are 1-to-1 mapped. So you can see 1 to 8, 1 up to 8, and 9 to 16. And here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this up to 15, 16. So this is how the pins are mapped. So you can like to connect to like pin number 8, you have to connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 pin here, and you can connect it to your main controller for communication. Okay, and then we have got room for attachments. So you can see we have 3 attachment points, one here, second here, third here. So you can attach a OLED display, or you can attach a memory card, you can attach a RTCC module. Okay, and then you can, these pins are directly connected to here. Okay, so using these connectors and jumper wires, using with these pins you can connect to your attachments directly, and you don't need to use a breadboard. So here you can see the connectors: connector for attachment 1, connector for attachment 3, and attachment 2 is connected through these pins. Okay, I'll show you afterwards. And switches and buttons. So here is the main switch to switch on the board. If you have powered the board with battery, then you have to push the switch in the battery side. If you are planning to use USB from here, okay, you can push the switch this side. Here is the mode button. So you can switch on the board in different modes, like run mode, config mode, auto update mode, etc. Here is the program button. So if you want to program the board, then you need to I will show you how to program it using this button, and this is the reset button to just restart the board. Okay, so this is the powering options. So you have 3 ways to power up the board: through your USB cable. So you can also program using this option. Okay, and second is a battery or 2 wires from anywhere. Okay, here, and the third option you can use a DC jack. Okay, and there is a fourth option, like if you are planning to run this board continuously for some operation, then you may not need this here, because this is a continuous power drain and you don't need to have this here. So we also have board options where you don't have this USB here, rather we give you a separate USB with some wires, so you can connect them to these pins here, and directly program the board. And after programming is done, you can remove this and you can power the board normally using any of this option with battery or a DC jack. Okay, so powering the board already shown: screw connection for batteries or 2 wires, USB connection for USB, here's the DC jack, and the fourth option is direct program here, and then battery and jack this side, and USB, the USB side. And we have a AMS 1117 voltage regulator, so it allows voltage up to like 15 volt max, but what we suggest use up to 12 volt or 9 volt only, okay, to keep the heat low. So this is about the accessories and the board. So you can also visit our website for more details and documentation on schematics, pin maps, etc. And also you can go to our YouTube channel to see some project videos, and you can also download the Arduino codes from there. So with this, I close this video here. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.